Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your computer name using command prompt. No extra software needed. Let's get started. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use my virtual machine to demonstrate to you how to change the PC name by using the command prompt, okay? So to do that, I'll open my virtual machine and then we are going to open command prompt, okay? So I'll click on the search and then I'll type CMD. So we are going to run with administrator, so I'll click on it and then I'll allow this app to make changes to this device, okay? So I'll copy the script on my sticky note and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so this is the basic command to change your computer name, okay? But before I do that, let me show you my current PC name, okay? So I'll do host name. So this is my current PC name, Sakes-PC-001, okay? So we are going to change this name to a new name. So let me paste my script now. So WMIC space computer system space where name. So the where name is the current PC name, okay? So we are changing this name to this test-PC-005, okay? So space call space rename name and then this name. So I'll press on the enter key on the keyboard. Okay, so you see method execution successful. So when we are done with this, we are going to restart the system because we have to restart for the changes to take effect, okay? We type shutdown -space R -space T and then space 0, okay? So now we are restarting the system for the changes to take effect, okay? So whilst it's restarting, I'll meet you at the other side. Okay, so it's finished restarting. So let me log on and then we check and see, okay? So I'm logging on to the virtual machine after the PC name change. Okay, so I've finished logging on onto the virtual machine. So I'll click on the folder icon and then I'll right click on this PC. Go to properties. Okay, so now you see the PC name has been changed to the test-PC-005. So it's very quick, okay? Please, this brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turn on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate that support, okay? Thank you for watching and bye-bye.